You're not lazy, you're not undisciplined, and you're not broken. But you were lied to. From a young age, you were told that motivation comes first, that successful people feel inspired before they act. That's a lie. Because if motivation really worked, you wouldn't be stuck right now. Look at your life. How many times have you felt motivated, only to quit a few days later? Motivation doesn't create action. Action creates motivation. The people you admire don't wake up inspired. They wake up tired, confused, doubtful, but they move anyway. And every small action rewires their brain to believe, I am the kind of person who finishes. You were taught to wait for confidence, but confidence is built after action, not before it. Every time you delay, your brain learns one thing: I quit. And every time you act, even when you don't feel like it, your identity changes. This is why most people stay stuck for years, not because they lack talent, but because they keep waiting for a feeling that never comes. If you want to change your life, stop asking, how do I feel? Start asking, what is the smallest action I can take right now? Do it badly, do it tired, do it scared, but do it anyway. Because momentum is earned, not gifted. And if this message hit you, subscribe. This channel exists to upgrade your mind daily, whether you feel ready or not.